What's up, guys? So today we're updating our Nikon Z9 firmware with the Snapbridge app, and we will get into how to use the Snapbridge app and connect it to our camera first. Then we will go into the firmware update. First thing you will want to do is make sure you have a fully charged battery in your camera. We're going to download our Snapbridge app and connect it to our camera so we can do firmware updates and be connected to have our camera connected to our phone. First thing we're going to do is go to our app store and download the Snapbridge app. Okay, once the Snapbridge app has downloaded, you can just go through the screens or whatever. You'll want to turn your camera on. So you just go to your connection settings. This is the Z9, so it has this option for connection settings. Earlier cameras have the wrench, and it would be up in there. Connect to smart device. We're going to pair with the Bluetooth. So we click that, and then we go to connect camera on our app. We hit the Bluetooth, then we select the camera, we read through it, hit understand or understood, whatever that says, and then we are going to connect it to the camera. Just click the one that you want to connect, hit pair. We're going to hit OK on our camera. So it is going to make a connection and it will pair. Click OK. And you are done. Now, if you connect a camera that has a Bluetooth a firmware update needed, it will say so in the top right of it as soon as you connect your camera. First thing we're going to do is format our memory card that we have in our camera. Once that is complete, we will go connect our smart device to our Snapbridge app on our phone. We're going to pair it with the Bluetooth. Once your connection is established, it's going to tell you that you have new firmware available. So you just click go. And next, after you read through Nikon's details and things, accept and download. We're going to download the firmware. This is going to go to the card that is in our camera. Click OK. Okay, so it's receiving the file. Okay, a new camera update firmware has been downloaded. So do we want to update? Yes, we're going to update. We'll click OK. So at this point, you leave your camera alone. You do not turn it off. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes for it to update the firmware. Okay, the camera has updated. We're going to turn it off. Then we're going to turn it back on, and we're going to go back to firmware and check to make sure that it has updated. And it has. So that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I will see you next time.